Hello everyone, this is Dipali and you are watching my channel Have a Long Way to Go. I will tell you how to make instant breakfast. My sister is making paratha, dal ka paratha. So she had um, made this, she mix it well and all you need to is that tur ki dal and you need to wait soak it for few hours. So grind it with the help of mixer, and you also need spinach. You can also mix it well and mix all the paste in it, and according to your taste you can also add some chili and other masalas as well. Now my sister is mixing it. She just added some turmeric in it, and now she is making this paratha. You need to add that well. This is how you need to spread it. You need to spread it well like this. You can also add oil in it. Just spread this oil like this. When you will add some oil in it, so it become easy for you and it will get removed from that hot pan. Wait for few minutes, so it will take only 2 minutes. So we are waiting. So it is now. You need to fix it, otherwise sometime it is too much thin, and because of that you need to be careful if you are just adding water in it. So it needs some time, and after that you can alter the chapati. So you need to wait for 2 minutes, and now we are going to alter it. That is how you can alter it. It is, so you can see it, this will get converted into like this. So you need to put some oil in it, just like this. I'm adding a tablespoon of oil. I'm adding tablespoon of oil, so you can see it. You need to wait for 2 minutes again. You can see it. So you can see now, here it is. You can see it. You will get this chapati. This bird is also there and he is enjoying his breakfast. And again I am showing you how she making another chapati. This is how you can spread it. In another paratha, you can see how she is making it. You need to wait for a few minutes. You need to wait for a few minutes. So it will get ready within 2 minutes. Now she is altering it. Be careful when you just alter. Just take this something to hold and be careful about. You also need to add some oil in it. I am also helping her. So that is wait. That is how you can also add some oil in it, and you can also laser the power of your gas. Just be careful when you just alter it, because it is too much heated. It is hot, so it will break sometime, but it's totally fine. You just need to add some more oil in it. So we have altered it. You can see you actually need a little bit thick consistency. We actually had put little bit more water, and because of that it is getting break. Otherwise it looks and it tastes amazing, just like our chapati that we make chapati in normal way. So again you need to wait for some time, and you can see the texture. You can see the texture, which is amazing, and now it will not get break because it already get cooked. So you can you can serve it. My sister is serving it now. This is second. This is second chapati. So this is how my sister made this breakfast. Now breakfast is ready. You can have it. You can also serve this in this way. You can serve in this way, like I like chutney, so we have green chili chutney, so we have already made it. And some saddles, I like flour, so I had made the saddles of that. So if you like, you can also have it. I hope you like this vlog, and one like for my sister because she made this breakfast. So she is very good cook, and I appreciate her cooking. So because of that, i I also wanted to share with you that how village people make their breakfast. So it is our recipe, and it is our regular breakfast. If you like this vlog, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Bye bye.